Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the uses of multi-threading. So here a problem is to make a scenario of an airport where we are going to land particular planes in the particular runways where the runways are free. So since we know we cannot land or take off from any runway if it is busy or any plane is already there, so we are going to create a scenario of the same using the multi-threading. So here we have made a class plane which extends thread. We have made the runway objects R1, R2, R3, R4. We have made ID and tags and other some variables and boolean I equal to false. So we have made the first default constructor using the ID and the runways and using the void run for the thread. So if the I is equal to false, it's going to give in case the I equal to false, is going to check whether the runways are available or not. So if R1 is available, then R1 landing would be done, it would say, and we're going to give us a particular tag. Similarly, for in case of the second, third and fourth runway, we are going to do the same. We are going to just check whether the availability is there or not, and according to that we are going to assign the tags. So, and then we are going to give the sleep command. Then we are going to make create the scenario of the takeoff. We have made for the landing and for the takeoff. If in case the tag is equal to the 1 and the I equal to true, then we're going to make the takeoff. Similarly, for in case of the second, third and fourth tag, we are going to make the same, and we are going to make the following. Now in private void sleep, we are going to try the thread sleep for random. We are going to assign it randomly. So, and we are going to make include a try catch. So here another class we have made for runway. We are going to make a runway. We are going to make the IDs and the locks, and we are going to make the runway constructor, this ID equal to ID and equal to new reentrant lock, and we are going to make if I equal to true and availability is equal to false, then, and it was going to print out the plane number and which landway is going to land, and we're going to return the value of I. And similarly, in case of takeoff, we are going to do the same. We're going to just print the IDP and the ID and check the and just assure the availability, and we're going to unlock it. So in the main function we have made the same. We have made the object the runway R equal to new runway 4, and for each and every R we are going to make the check the runways, and also for the plane we have made the objects. So we have included the for while loop, and we have made it. So we're going to run the program. Yes, we can see that we can see the plane 3 is landing on runway 2, plane 2 is landing on runway 3, plane 1 is landing on runway 1, and plane 0 is landing on runway 0. So we can see that these have been assigned, and the same has been assigned for the following. The plane 1 has been taken off from runway 1, plane 0. So we can see that the other planes like the plane number 3 cannot land on the runway or take off from the runway 0 or 2 because it is already occupied by the other planes. So similarly, vice versa, the same logic can be applied for the other cases. So with this we see the uses of multi-threading, and I'm going to conclude my video with this. So thank you for watching.